Presenting the faculty for Seed Industry Program 2020, Professor K.V. Raman, International Professor of Plant Breeding and Genetics and Associate Director of Special Projects, IP-CALS, Cornell University. His expertise is in the areas of integrated pest management, plant biotechnology, and international technology transfer projects in South America, Africa, and Asia. K. Vijayaraghavan, CEO, Sadhguru Management Consultants, and Regional Coordinator of CALS Research Programs. His academic teaching at Cornell is in the area of technology management. He comes with 35 years of experience and has extensively guided seed industry globally in their endeavor to excel in products and markets. Ronnie Kaufman, Director of International Programs at CALS, Cornell University. His strategic contribution to global agriculture development spans over 4 decades. He is a World Agriculture Prize laureate and is among the senior-most plant breeders today. Alan George Taylor, Professor of Horticulture at CALS, Cornell University. His research areas include crop science, horticultural sciences, and seed science. His expertise is on post-harvest aspects of seed quality, dormancy, seed treatments, and coating technologies. Taylor's research program can be best described as modern seed technology, with many well-organized projects for multi-stakeholders. Raghunathan, Director, Sadhguru Management Consultants, is a fellow chartered accountant and a management consultant. His expertise is in the Seed Industry Consulting Group's intervention in the Asian region. Raghu works with the seed industry to plan strategic growth and consolidation through acquisitions. Raghu is also a visiting professor at CALS, Cornell University. Dr. R.R. Hanchimal, former chairperson, Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority, Government of India. His expertise is in plant breeding and genetics, seed production technology, intellectual property rights, and plant genetic resource management. He is a fellow at National Academy of Biological Sciences and Indian Society of Genetics and Plant Breeding. He has won many prestigious awards for his research and academics and is a stalwart in plant breeding and seed science. Richard Kahun, President of Bioproperty Strategy Group Inc. and former Director of Technology Transfer Office at Cornell University. His expertise is in technology assessment, management, and commercialization. He has transformed over 300 inventions into revenue-generating intellectual property packages. Michael Gore, Professor of Molecular Breeding and Genetics for Nutritional Quality, Liberty Hyde Bailey Professor, and International Professor of Plant Breeding and Genetics at Cornell University. His expertise is in the field of quantitative genetics and genomics, especially the genetic dissection of metabolic seed traits related to nutritional quality. Looking forward to seeing you at Seed Industry Program 2020 for an intensive and insightful session with the distinguished faculty.